Hey everybody, it's Eddie from Tokyo. This is your cryptocurrency update from Japan. It is Friday, the 27th of April, 2018, and we've had an amazing week. And we're having still an amazing day. Everybody's in the green. In the top 100 coins, it's like 99% up in some modest gains, and I'm very, very happy. I wanted, though, to just highlight this story. Bitcoin miners are about to tap 17th millionth coin. So we are getting very close to the end of the 21 million Bitcoins that are available for mining. Yeah, I think actually the last coin is projected to be mined in 2140, but the miners are closely coming in on the 17th million coin. Amazing, isn't it, everybody? I mean, and I think too, this will be a psychological landmark. The mining of the 17th million Bitcoin is more than a psychological landmark than one with direct impact on Bitcoin's values. Some view the milestone as underscoring the fact that Bitcoin supplies are depleting like gold, which underscores its value, right? They say that the milestone is likely to generate more buzz and interest in Bitcoin. Yeah, I'm really, really happy. I'm really curious as to what value the coin will be when it finally taps that 17th million coin. Yeah, I think this is an interesting way to see how far we've come in the cryptocurrency ecosphere. All right. I want to take a look at the market cap. We are sitting at 414 billion, which is great. We've been able to maintain this recent, we've seen like 50 billion poured into the market in the last week or so. The Bitcoin dominance is sitting at 37.9%, a little bit up, which is not surprising because Bitcoin has been able to see a pretty good gain. Even though we've gone sideways in the last 6 hours, we've had a very, very good week. Currently, we're sitting at 4% up, which is $9,249 in US dollars. And look at, I just love the color green. IOTA has a nice 10% gain. And if we come down here, there was one coin that really caught my eye today, and that was Siacoin. Congratulations to everybody who has Siacoin. It is at a 48% gain. I did not have the patience to hang on to this coin. And that just goes to prove that you do need patience in this industry. When I first read the white papers, I said to myself, I get it. And I really believe in it, and I understand it. It is a decentralized cloud storage business model, and I think that this is, really needed. And I just didn't have the patience to hang on to it. So, it just goes to show that patience sometimes is a virtue. So, congratulations to everybody who has Siacoin. And then when we come down, Bitcoin Diamond is still surprising everyone. It has a 43% gain. And then there was Digibyte. Digibyte has been around for a long time. It has a 23% gain today. I really thought this coin was dead, but it has recently come alive. And again, congratulations for all of you that have been able to see the Digibyte coin move with its recent upward movement. And then, of course, Japan's favorite meme coin, which is Monacoin. Monacoin has the cute little cat icon, and it is kind of like Dogecoin, where it was started almost as a joke, but it has now become the tipping coin in Japan. So people are actually using it to say thank you to people. So, in the past we used to write thank you cards. Now in Japan, people are using Monacoin. So anyway, it's a lot of nice green, and I'm happy for everybody who's having a good day, either trading or those that are feeling great as they hodl. Okay, so what do I want to talk about? Market sentiment. This is a site I told everyone about a couple of videos ago, and it's called Signals, and it is a live tweet analysis which will take actual tweets from Twitter and analyze if it's a positive tweet, a neutral tweet, or a negative tweet. And if you want to see, you can also take a look at the words that actually are the driving force to determine whether it's positive or negative. And it gives you a live feed so that if there is a coin or if there is a story that interests you, you can go further. And there's just a ton of information here. As we all know, we are really, it's an overload sometimes as to the amount of information we can use to analyze the sentiment. Okay, and another one you can use is this Sentiment Viz. Look at this. This is one of the most positive days I've seen. This is the last 24 hours, and this on the right-hand side in green is the positive tweets, and off to the left are stories and tweets that are negative. And so it is a way to quickly visually look and see, are people feeling positive or are people feeling negative? And the one, it got my curiosity of what this one negative one was out here in blue, and it was not surprising. It was the Cointelegraph story about Bitcoin is a scam, which was claimed by the ousted CEO of PayPal. Well, I don't even want to give this guy my breath because he just doesn't get it. Now, I don't think he is getting information because I think he hasn't taken time to research the market. Because the stories, which, sometimes this one little story about a year ago would have maybe sent the market in a decline, but we have become so much smarter now. And also the stories that are out there available for us to read on a daily basis, the positive stories are outweighing the negative stories by far. So as you know, this Crypto Panic is my favorite site for aggregated news, and you can drill down and find stories that you are really interested in. And I just happened, just for the heck of it, I put in the keywords to drill down into institutional investors, and there is just a mind-boggling amount of institutional investors coming into the market space, from Deutsche Bank to the Nasdaq, to Goldman Sachs, to SBI Holdings making a huge investment in a new trading platform. I mean, it just doesn't end. So we are not short on positive stories at all. And I think anybody who isn't paying attention to this space is going to miss the boat and get in too late. So I just don't see how you can say that. I just don't see how you can be on the negative side. And those people that are, I just don't understand what rock they're living under. So, yeah, here's the one story about the crypto trading platform that's raised $10 million from a Japanese investment giant to go head to head with the big business on Wall Street. This is a great story. I'm going to put the story link in the comment section below. But the New York-based trading technology company Templum has snagged $10 million in a fundraising round involving Japanese investment giant SBI Group, the company said on Monday. And the firm, which launched its alternative trading system this year, will use the funds to attract accredited investors and institution to its security token trading platform. The big guys, the herd is just not coming anymore. The herd is here. About a year ago, we were hearing people talking about the herd is coming. No, the herd has arrived. Monex filing after acquiring Coincheck mentions plans of a future blockchain and ICO. Monex is the company that bought Coincheck, which is I think the third largest exchange here in Japan. So this is a big story. And look at this. Nasdaq endorses cryptocurrency as institutions get involved. So, you know, when I see those ridiculous stories about what the ousted CEO of PayPal says, I just want to ask him, so are you not reading what's happening in the world? It goes on the same lines as when the Senate was grilling Zuckerberg about Facebook, and Orrin Hatch asked him, so if you offer a free service, how do you make money? And Zuckerberg just paused and then had a smile, and he said, well, we run ads, sir. So, you know, it's just not even funny. If you leave the government up to the government to regulate this space, we're in huge trouble, which is why I think you've seen Japan take a very proactive approach, and they are regulating themselves through an association. And I think this is incredibly smart, because if we leave it up to governments to regulate us, we're in big trouble. The FSA, which falls under the Ministry of Finance here in Japan, they are the financial service agency that's overlooking kind of with a strong hand of whether the exchanges are meeting safety standards. And in response to this action that took place, then the players within the large exchanges have created their own association, and they are claiming to take a proactive approach in self-regulatory action. And this is smart, because we have to regulate ourselves in a smart way and not leave it up to the governments to do it. So I hope the rest of the world pays attention to how Japan is handling this delicate balance between regulation and staying free from government-imposed regulations. So it's a very fine balance, and they are walking the tightrope very well here. So I just wanted to say that. And then also look at this. Goldman Sachs hires their vice president and head of digital assets market. So I think this story is quite amazing. Goldman, just 6 months ago, was bad-mouthing the cryptocurrency space, and now here they go. So the herd is not coming. The herd is here. All right, everybody. I think that's everything today. I just, I feel really good as to where we've gone this last 7 days, and I feel really good where we're going. I think we're going to see 10,000 this weekend, and I think May is going to be amazing, just amazing. So everybody, please take care, and I will talk to you soon. Sayonara for now. Bye-bye.